Hello, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to use HTML in your eBay auction. Now, it used to be, back in the day, that you could use HTML, but most people didn't know you could use it, and you had to read a little paragraph about how to use it, and if you didn't know HTML, blah, 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 blah. Well, nowadays, you can set up your auction. Now, I've set up an auction here for a Rolex watch, because I've got tons of them laying around. And so you come down here, and then you have your standard editor. Now, this standard editor is what they call WYSIWYG. It's what you see is what you get. But if you want to use HTML, just click on the HTML tab, and now you can see the HTML. You can come in here and you can put in image tags. You can do whatever you want in HTML just by coming into the HTML tab. And that's really all there is to doing HTML in your eBay auction.